Winter is the season of layers, cozy knits, and warm coats. But it's also the time when many of us unintentionally fall into frumpy trap. Looking chic while staying warm may seem challenging, but it's absolutely doable with a few style tricks. And today I will share with you 7 style mistakes that can make you look frumpy and show you how to avoid them so you can feel confident, stylish, and put together all winter long. Let's dive in. Relaxed fit cardigan with a dropped shoulder design adds bulk to my frame. Now sticking to slightly thinner knit like this one and in a darker tone makes the look instantly more flattering. I still love drop shoulder that offers a relaxed and comfortable feel, however it looks much more flattering. This knit is by the brand OUT S.DEER and actually it comes with a matching belt. And I love it because it gives a lot of possibilities to style this cardigan in many different ways. And if I want to feel a little bit more elegant, a little bit more chic, I can add a belt and instantly elevate this simple, casual look. Here we are working with the proportions. This outfit features 1:1 proportion that is unflattering to the observing eye. I love this top with asymmetric hemline and a small buckle that creates a beautiful shape on me, but I think that swapping to a maxi skirt might work better for more flattering proportions. In my opinion, a maxi skirt requires a little bit of sculptural element, for example, shoe, to make it look more modern and elevated. A structure back to create interest to this look, and that's it. As you can tell, this new proportion with 2 times longer bottom piece looks much more flattering and elevated. By the way, today's outfit and many of the clothing pieces that you are seeing in this video are from the recently discovered brand OUT S.DEER. The brand's philosophy centers on the belief that simplicity and comfort are the cornerstones of timeless style, and their clothing pieces prove this to be true. I love that along timeless designs, they are not afraid to introduce unique mix of materials and some sculptural elements to their designs that looks really intricate and modern. I highly recommend checking out the wide selection of clothing pieces if you are looking to elevate your style in a classy yet unique way. And also, OUT S.DEER surprised us with a special discount code for you. You will find all the details down below. And let's move on to the next style mistake. Horizontal lines created by highly contrasting colors in this outfit cut off my body into different sections, making me look frumpy and short. When a pair of darker jeans comes into play, it really makes a big difference. Ankle sock boot is a perfect match for flared cropped jeans. As you can tell, uninterrupted vertical line elongates me and provides a slimming effect. And even though the outfit is really quite basic, a pair of jeans and a turtleneck, but it looks really very chic and sophisticated. It's not necessary to wear tight clothes to show off all of your best assets, but hiding our bodies by wearing plain outfits without any definitions really makes us look frumpy and dull. So to start elevating this outfit, I will swap to this lightweight classic color blouse. And I'm well aware that it is sheer, but my idea here is to create a shape with different layers. So next up, I will add this beautiful V neckline vest with gold buttons. This beautiful cut really helps to create a nice hourglass silhouette on me. I think this color combination with gray, a little bit of black and white is very classic, yet I would like to add some print. Therefore, a classic houndstooth blazer is just what I need to spice it up. Love this! So layers is a great way not only to add warmth and texture to the look, but also accentuate body and create flattering shapes. Take advantage of that. Choosing a nice and flattering puffer coat or jacket might be a challenging task. I've had this one for many years, but every time I wear it, I feel frumpy and not really chic at all. When I saw this puffer jacket on S.DEER website, I wanted to give it a try. I love different texture panels on it as it creates very flattering shape and looks so chic. The drawstring at the waist allows to adjust the fit according to personal preferences and the outfits I'm wearing. Even though this jacket is on a shorter side, but it's made from goose down, offering exceptional warmth while ensuring comfort. And I felt that it's really versatile piece and might be styled for leisure activities as well as in a more elegant way with a structured bag. What do you think? Shoes can make or break any outfit. Here I got this black A-line skirt and ankle boots. Well, yes, swapping to black tights might be a better option, but still, I think that swapping to the boots, knee-high boots, is a better one because I got a lot of volume with this A-line skirt and a turtleneck on top, and just to balance it off, I want to swap to knee-high boots. Yes, of course, we need to emphasize my waistline for this outfit. And here you go, the instant result where I feel more put together and classy. Sometimes throwing on something statement like these boots doesn't make the outfit great by its own and requires a little bit more elements to make it work. So to create a bit more color cohesiveness, I will swap to these beautiful and comfy jeans by S.DEER, and just by doing so, I already feel so much better about this look. Now, many women avoid wearing high necks if they have bigger bust, but adding a vest with the V neckline looks really flattering and divides upper part, so it really works. I also love that it has these gold buttons, so they tie in nicely with the boots, repeating the colors. And to finalize the look, I'm adding this brown suede handbag to further tie in all the details together and make this outfit cohesive. By avoiding these common style mistakes and incorporating these figure flattering tips, you can stay cozy while looking chic and polished. And remember, a little effort in how you style your winter wardrobe can influence the way you look and, most importantly, feel about yourself. Don't forget to check out the clothing brand S.DEER. All the links are down below for your convenience. Let me know, how do you feel about winter and what style dilemmas are you facing with? And also, next week I'm planning to go live, so keep an eye on my channel because I never know when it happens. It happens when it happens. Keep shining, stay classy, and ciao ciao!